Okay, so I did two examples with the power rule just because there are two different circumstances, like I talked about in that review earlier, where you can incorporate the radical rule where you have a fraction as your exponent. So the first one is just your basic power rule. So I had log base of x to the third power as my condensed form, that right there. And then when you expand it, it's going to look, you know how we said that it was the exponent is going to come out in front. So you took the exponent right here, put it out in front. So you'll have 3 times your log base x, which would be, just a normal log expression. That's just with the power rule. Hang on, sorry about this. The second example I chose was one with a fraction in the exponent. So this is where that radical rule comes into play. So if I had log base x to the 2/3 power. So really, you shouldn't have a fraction in the exponent ever once you've expanded. So the way I did it, remember we said that we put the n as the index number and the m goes under the radical. So you have your log base, and this is your m, so it went under the radical, and it's the power of your x. This is your n, and it's going to become the index number. So n index number. You can kind of remember that. That'll be the acronym. So m makes its way under the radical, and n becomes the index number. Cool? So that's what that's going to look like if you ever have a fraction in your exponent. That's what you're going to need to condense it to.